As Speaker Kevin McCarthy visited a natural gas drilling site in Northeast Ohio to promote House Republicans' plan to sharply increase domestic production of energy from fossil fuels last month, the signs of rising global temperatures could not be ignored. Smoke from Canadian wildfires hung in the air. When a speaker was asked about climate change and forest fires, he was ready with a response. Plant a trillion trees. The idea, simple yet massively ambitious, revealed recent Republican thinking on how to address climate change. The party is no longer denying that global warming exists, yet is searching for a response to sweltering summers, weather disasters, and rising sea levels that doesn't involve abandoning their enthusiastic support for American-produced energy from burning oil, coal, and gas.